Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Thunder, and today I'm gonna be showing you my own game. Pretty much the game I've been talking about through the tutorials and the last video which I posted, I believe, 5 minutes ago. This game is a survival game, pretty much like Rust, but focusing on the survival aspect instead of the PvP. Now, I'm gonna do something quickly because this is the second time I try to record this, but I had to stop that because the server save had a bunch of duplicate objects, so it pretty much crashed my entire PC. Now, this game it started as a remake of Rust Legacy, the 2013 version of Rust. Now, why did it do that? Basically, I'm a huge fan of that version. I just love the fact that it's not as toxic as normal Rust. Pretty much 50% of the time you come across someone, they are friendly, at least 50%, which in current Rust, that's about at 2% time. So yeah, I do love that version. There's still playable versions of it. If you want to try it out, just look on YouTube Rust Legacy 2022 and you should find something. But it's all cracked versions, so I'm not gonna leave any links down for it. Now, this started as a remake of that, but as I was not using any assets from the game, I was remaking the whole game from the ground up, all from scratch, all code from zero, networking from zero, models from zero, everything. I decided, why not turn it into my own game? And that's where Legacy Reborn was born. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the client and the server. Also, the game is fully linked to Steam. I have it on Steam already. It's not published yet though. Some people in my Discord have gotten to play it because I did give a couple of beta keys out, but that's on my game's Discord, not on the channel's Discord. And I'm also gonna be merging that channel with the current development channel pretty soon. Basically, what that means is I'm gonna be posting devlogs on this channel pretty soon. So yeah, now this is the game. Here are the update notes, which last update was about 2 months ago. I reworked all of the icons. I fixed a bug where the torch wasn't on fire. Did some changes to the lighting. Did a lot of progress on the map, almost half of the map. Reworked the muzzle flashes and added a new skybox, added the server save system, which is still kind of buggy, so I gotta solve that, but at least you don't lose all your progress now. Optimize the server, a new shooting sound for the M4, and I announced that was gonna be out for a week, which ended up turning in about 2 to 3 months. So yep, that's mostly of it. Now you got your options menu where you can change your field of view, your sensitivity, graphics, deactivate effects. I'm gonna put the graphics level all the way up, and same with the draw distance, the resolution, and the screen mode. Now you got your controls, which is not done, sounds, which doesn't work at all, and that's pretty much it. Here you got your server list, which currently there's no server going except for mine, and I have it set so when I'm in the Unity editor, the server doesn't show in the list. So I'm gonna go ahead and just join locally. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly register as an admin. And actually, okay, I can actually use this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, also last video, one of the reasons I did not end up doing it. Okay, why is this 5 FPS? What the hell? Okay, there's a huge problem with this. Okay, this shouldn't be happening, but it is for some reason. So yeah, this is way too much stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and restart the server and just disable all of the spawners on the area so it doesn't spawn any rock or any of that. As I said, huge performance issues. Pretty much the server is eating up probably at least half of my RAM. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video, then just actually I might even do them here if it doesn't take too long. So these zone spawners. Yep, there we go. And let's hit play. Then same thing over here. Yeah, pretty much what's going on right now is that I'm running the server and the client at the same time. Server's not optimized. Client still needs some optimizations. So yeah, it's pretty much just destroying my PC at that point. So let's wait for the server to start. I'm gonna quickly pause the video and get back to you guys once it's started. Alright, server restarted. Okay, it's less objects, I think, or should be. Alright, something's eating my entire RAM, so I don't know what's exactly is it, but there shouldn't be this many objects. Oh, you know, game development stuff, 20-30 FPS, this amount. So yeah, pretty much this is the game. And as you can see, this is the part of the map that's done already. You know, classic Rust thing. You start with a rock and you grind your way through it. Now, here is a little bit different. As you can see, I have a, okay, this I'm not supposed to have it. That's just because of the purpose of testing, pretty much, where I can get guns easily. But you can see you only get one wood on the trees. Now this is because you are supposed to find wood piles. Yeah, super jumping, that's another issue with the server, which I thought it was fixed, but looks like it isn't. Now let me see if I can find a wood pile. Basically that looks like a bunch of trunks just put it together. Actually, I won't find anything, so I'm just gonna log in as admin. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm logged in as admin. I'm gonna give myself an AK, some ammo, a pickaxe, and a couple of building parts. Also, you can raid houses already in the game. It's a decent game loop, pretty much. Metal door, and what else? Okay, I'm gonna take this, and this. Where's the ceiling? Here, there we go. So yeah. But as you can see, we got weapon systems. You can even got the smoke coming out. Here are the animations. There's also a hunting bow, an AK, which its animations might not be final. I still don't know. Then you got a P250 pistol, a Ioka pistol, which is pretty much like a shotgun pistol. I'm gonna get ammo for all of those, and let's use them. So here's a bow, which you shoot and the arrow goes out. Pretty simple. And you can also pick up the arrow. So yeah. Then there's the P250, which sounds are bugged. I don't know why it sounds always get removed from the scriptable object, but yeah, it's pretty much this. Same with this, you know. Only difference with this is that there's a chance that it will fail. There's like a 60% chance that it will fail. As you can hear, I'm clicking, and it's doing the, here is reloaded. Let's see if I get that chance. So yeah, you might have heard it there. I don't know because I have my sounds off, but it did like the empty fire sound. There it shot. So pretty much that's what it does. Now this right here is the AK, which is a pretty decent gun actually. And this is the makeshift shotgun. So it's pretty simple. You aim it, you shoot it, you reload. This right here is the pickaxe, which, okay, why isn't it hitting? Okay, there we go. And you also have the rat towns, where you go, you get crates, and you get stuff, pretty much. Now I'm going to show you guys the building system, which is a lot more elaborate than the survival tutorial series, but this has taken a bunch of time to polish. And there are still some bugs where you can place duplicates. Now let me get the pillars, because you actually need pillars to build the walls. So I'm going to show you. Let's make a wall. So you can see I can place the wall there. but not here because I'm missing a pillar right there in the center. Now, okay, let me just do this. This one, and one on the center because I'm gonna need it for the ceilings. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and just place off this. So this is gonna be my entrance wall. I'm gonna make a quick window there, and right here, next thing, ceilings. So as you can see, this is a full house building system. It took a lot of time to polish this, because especially with the pillar checks and the door checks for the walls, and that was really a headache, to be honest. Also, same thing with the furnace, but I do have the same bug with the sounds, where one of the objects gets unassigned from the actual item over here. So I believe it's buildables, placeables, furnace right here. Okay, I need to look for it over here, prefabs, T-net prefabs. And it should be buildables, ghost, deployables, and here it is, furnace. So yeah, that's fixed. Yep, there we go. So you can see I can place it down. Then I can open it. I'm gonna get some resources. So I'm gonna get some wood and some metal ore and sulfur ore. And I'm gonna put it in. So let's go ahead and do that. Then turn it on. There we go. So yeah, this is pretty much all the game has to offer right now. Base building and also base rating, which I'll show you guys in a moment. Let me just put my back down and change the name to base. Change name. There we go. Alright, also for the doors, you gotta put codes on it. So I'm gonna put like 8574 into code. There we go. Now I'm the only one that can open it, but as I'm playing by myself, you know, it's pretty much gonna do it that. So turn it off, and you can see it's already smelted some of the metal and sulfur. So yeah, that's pretty much all the game has to offer. Also, there's zombies, there's radioactive animals you can go ahead and kill. It's pretty fun when there's a lot of people in, because you can also do this. So, explosive charge. Hopefully I don't kill myself with it. Okay, let me just get far away from it. Wait for it to blow up and then put the other one down. Alright, so you can see now the health is at 50%. So I'm gonna put it down. And just wait for it to blow up. There you go, you can raid houses. It's a decent thing, you know, the game's not finished yet, it has a long way to go, but it has the foundations set, and hopefully I'll be able to release it in about a couple of months, which my plan is to release it on early access. But yeah, pretty much this is Legacy Reborn. Oh, also, you got crafting too. I should have enough wood to make at least a wooden door. So I'm actually gonna kill myself, so kill. And I'm gonna respawn on my sleeping bag. Also, you can recover your loot, so people can steal from you. I'm just gonna take this and the ammo. So let me get some wood. And as you can see, I have 250 wood. Now, if I select wooden door and hit craft, here you got the timer. And once it runs out, it will take the wood away from you. Although I should have already done it. Yeah, I already did it. So, yep, and there you go, you got a wooden door, which you can place right over here. For some reason, it's at 99% health, so I don't know, but yeah, that doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is for this. It's a decent game. You got the day and night cycle. As you can see, it's already gone a little bit by. And you also have to eat, keep your radiation down. Oh shit, I realized you guys might have heard that annoying rat sound all the video. Yep, definitely. Okay, well, sorry about that, guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it, the game. I'm gonna be posting devlogs from now on this channel. I will be making an announcement, so just keep an eye out for that. Hopefully I'll be uploading a new video soon. And that's all for it, guys. I'm just gonna do a quick I remember the command. Okay, let me just check my commands and see. Okay, God mode. God mode. So I'm in God mode, and I'm just gonna like go ahead and run wherever I want and show you guys a little bit of the map. Oh, actually, no, never mind. That might crash my game. So that's gonna be it for the video, guys. As I always say, if you guys like the video, consider subscribing, leave a comment down below, and hit the like button. It always helps a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next one.